When someone treats you like an option, you're not a priority, you're a choice they make when it's convenient. It's a feeling of being taken for granted, where your needs and feelings are secondary. This kind of treatment can be damaging, making you feel like you're not valued or respected. You're left wondering if you're good enough or if you're just a backup plan. Being treated like an option often means you're investing more emotional energy than the other person. You're constantly adjusting, compromising, and waiting while they dictate the terms. It's not about being desperate or needy. It's about being treated with dignity. You deserve to be someone's priority, not a fallback or a placeholder. If someone can see you worth, maybe they're not worth your time. Recognizing when you're being treated like an option is key. It gives you the power to reevaluate the relationship and decide if it's worth fighting for or if it's time to walk away. For me, I need to be valued and respected in this relationship. I'm not comfortable being treated like a backup plan.